In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can elongate your time on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26 or future iOS versions. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you are going to need to enter in edit mode on your lock screen. You can do this by just long pressing on your lock screen until that customization menu does appear, or if that doesn't work, you can go through your settings, scroll down until you see this little wallpaper tab, open that, and then choose customize to go to this exact same page. Once you are in edit mode, simply go ahead and tap on this clock option right here. And what you're going to want to do is make sure you're on this first font option, otherwise it's not going to work. You do have to be on this first font option in order to actually elongate your clock style. But after you do select that first font, go ahead and look for the small faint icon in the corner of your clock. Sometimes you do have to kind of tick it a little bit in order to get it to go, but essentially click that, drag up to make your clock smaller or drag down to make your clock longer. But whenever you're happy with the style, simply go ahead and tap done up in the top right corner and now lock your phone and you're going to see that elongated clock style applied. But that is how you can elongate the time display on your iPhone in iOS 26 as well as future iOS versions. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.